Hey friends, if you wish to remove the Groove Music app from your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now here's the thing. Groove Music, as you can check, has transformed into the media player. So the media player is the usual Windows media player and is not any different. But here's what you can do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab, select installed apps. In some computers, the Groove Music app may be installed through third party websites. That is at the will of the person, and if you find it, just uninstall it. Okay, I don't have that, so I'm showing it for a different application. Other than this, if you simply click on Windows Update and select check off for updates and update it to the latest version, that will also fix your problem to quite an extent because it will change Groove Music to Windows Media Player, basically merging it into a much better application. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.